David here from Become Digital. Today we're going to be going over what the interaction will look like for your users when they are actually using Messenger. So if you recall last time, we created blocks that our users would be going through. We created the welcome block. We created an overview block, which would basically act as our main menu that we'll be sending people back to. Uh, we created several blocks that could capture information, and then we created one that would act as a human passover. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So as you can see, I had already been experimenting with it. So let's go ahead and hit start again. Now this menu here, you can actually edit this and put the options that you want in there. So this is what would happen if you're first interacting and you hit get started. This is the message that would come up. So you can see here we have a button, our services. And this is what a quick response looks like. So we're going to go and click Chatbots. All right, and if you remember, we added this picture in. So this would be about what a gallery looks like, but you'd be able to scroll through the different images. So we're going to hit yes. All right, so if you recall, I said that it would pre-fill your information based on what was connected to your Facebook, but let's go ahead and send this to a different email. Okay, now it's asking for phone number. All right, what will you be using your bot for? Collecting information. Okay, when do you need the spy? ASAP. Oh, okay, so we need to pick a date. 05/13/2020. I'll say 2021. All right. So you see here, David, thank you for your information. Someone will be in contact with you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to look around. So what happened on the back end is that information, as you can see, I just got an email that came in here, and I'll screenshot that for you guys and show you what that looks like after. That information is then emailed to whoever you put the email for. So, and the customer never sees that interaction. So let's go ahead and go back to menu. Let's see what it looks like when we start a chat with someone. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check what it's like when you initiate chat. So I restarted. So here's our services. Except this time when we're going through, we're going to click no. So we click chatbots. And then we're going to click no here. And we're going to chat with a team member. Okay, so this is important because if you don't transfer the chat to an agent or team member by using that block, the bot will always default to the Q&A or the default block and whatever you're typing. So this has to be active in order for you to have a conversation. And to simply go back to chatting, they just have to hit stop chat and it will default back to the bot. So let's just say something, hi there. Okay, let's see what it looks like over here. All right, so you can see the conversation is happening here. So, and then you can just simply type a message and that message will go to Messenger. Hi, how can I help? So you can also see the message came up here. sit and automate, which from your end as the bot maker will put them back into the bot. So as you can see, the conversation's happening here. So that's all I have for today. Next time, we're going to be talking about how to integrate the chatbot onto your website.